evening, sir. I'm Anas Saladin, your RT for today. Sir, may I know your name and age?
My name is Alvin Sir Ali, 20 years old.
Sir, I'm going to perform thorax assessment. Palpate, palpate and touch your upper extremities. Is it okay, sir?
Yes.
So, sir, I'll be palpating for your trachea. Sir, pwede nga yung kamay. Pwede po tumayo. Okay. Sir, meron po kayo difficulty sa breathing nyo or
Wala po, sir.
meron kayo sa family may history? Okay, sir. So, sir, can you say, can you tell me if you feel any pain? Sir? Okay. Sir, can you breathe deep for me? Inhale. Sir, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Count 1, 2, 3 whenever you feel my hand on your back. Okay, sir. 1, 2,
3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, sir. Can you cross your hands and put your hands on your shoulder? Okay. Sir, can you count 1, 2, 3 whenever you feel my finger on your back, at your back? Okay, sir.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Mana kamu?
1, 2, 3.
Mina?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Sundin niyo lang po sasabihin ko. Exhale and hold it. Okay. Inhale and hold it. Inhale. Inhale and hold it, sir. Okay. Sa kabila. Okay. Exhale and hold it, sir. Dito. Exhale and hold it. Exhale and hold it, sir. Inhale and hold it dito, sir. Inhale and hold it. Okay, done. Sir, ngayon, pakikinggan ko po yung breathing nyo. Sir, pwede po pasabi ng 99 kapag may naramdaman kayo na pumatong sa likod nyo. Okay, sir?
Okay po.
Okay. Sir,
99. 99. 99. 99. 99. 99. 99.
okay, sir. The same thing. Pero ngayon, ang sasabihin nyo is E. Yes, sir. Okay na, sir?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir?
E. 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 E.
Okay, sir. Can you whisper 1, 2, 3?
1, 2.
Say ko. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Paharap na po ka na. Okay. Sir, pwede po tayo tumayo. Ayan. Harap. Okay. So, ayan. Next procedure po tayo. Okay, sir. Pwede po inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, sir. And then, ba ini? Okay. Sir. Ayan. Next procedure.
Hindi na.
Inhale. Exhale. 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 Okay, sir. Okay. Sir, based on my assessment po sa'yo, when I inspect you, you have normal position. Normal position naman yung trachea mo. Nasa midline siya. Tapos, when I palpate your chest, the stapler mucus are normal. So, as I percuss your chest, you have relative intensity. Yung relative intensity nyo, loud. Yung relatively pitch, low. Then, yung relative duration mo is long. So, lastly, when I auscultate you, your breath sound, normal din. No wheezes or crackles na narinig. So, normal po lahat. Okay.